Zaboomafoo!
It's the Kratt brothers!
While walking in the woods one day, Chris and Martin saw something strange. A little leaping lemur who liked to bounce and play. They followed their new bouncing friend, not knowing where this adventure would end. The animals were headed just around the bend.
Where are they going?
I don't know.
How did we get there?
Come on, let's go! Me and you and Zaboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. We're doing the things that animals do. New animal friends to see. Animal Junction's the place to be.
Elephants jogging, baboons are leaping, wild dogs running and nobody's sleeping.
Me and you and Zaboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. We're doing the things that animals do. Me and you and Zaboomafoo. Come along and see what's new. At Animal Junction we're waiting for you.
Zaboomafoo.
That was a crazy ride. I'm glad that raccoon got out safely.
Yeah, me too, man. I just love saving animals.
Hello? Okay, understood. We'll get right on it. Martin, I just got a call. There's a land shark stuck out in New Hampshire. We gotta go save it.
Oh, really? This'll be an interesting mission. Let's go! You ready to save that land shark?
Heck yeah, I am.
Alright, man, let's go. Wait, did you bring the Say Lechi Morpho Finder?
Did I bring it? Martin, I never forget it.
Of course you didn't. Alright, man. Let's go save that shark, Jason.
Let's do it.
I don't even know where to start, dude.
Good point. Oh, the device is leading us over here. Let's go.
Alright, let's go explore nature.
Man, I'm not getting any signal.
No, let's not get our hopes down, man. We just gotta keep looking.
Good point. Let's see how interesting New Hampshire is.
6.5 hours later.
Wow, New Hampshire f***ing sucks.
Yeah, seriously. Honestly, what was the shark doing here in New Hampshire anyway?
I don't know, but let's keep... Martin, over there! It's going off!
I hope we find this thing soon.
Yep. Whoa, watch out. Check it out. Poison ivy.
Well, how can you tell?
Well, Martin, as you can see, the leaves are kind of shiny, isn't that right?
Yeah, they kind of are. What else about it is distinctive?
Well, it's also a little bit pinkish, and there's 3 leaves.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and there's also this cool saying, shiny leaves of 3, you should eat me.
Wow, that's pretty convenient. I'm not really hungry right now, though. You should have some.
I sure will. Tasted great. Now let's move on.
Oh, Jason, check it out. It's a balsam fir tree.
Balsam fir?
Balsam fir. It's an evergreen tree that's usually about 24 to 27 meters high, but this one's just a baby.
Wait, I thought you just said it was called a balsam fir.
Balsam fir. Say it with me. Balsam fir.
Balsam fir.
We'll work on that later. An evergreen tree is a common term for a tree that can stay green all throughout the winter while all the other trees die.
How does it stay green throughout the winter?
Well, you see, Jason, when small mammals such as squirrels or birds climb on the branches of these evergreen trees, these little pines are able to suck out their souls, and that's how they stay green through the winter while all the other trees die.
Well, how do you know that?
Well, you see, Jason, it all started when I was a young boy. I had a friend named Roger. He was a baby duck that I played with all the time. I love you, Roger. You're the best friend I've ever had. We would run through the woods, play hide and go seek, just fun duck stuff. He was my best pal. We used to play this game where I would throw him up in a tree and he would always come back down. Until one day,
Roger!
he didn't come back down. The pines of the evergreen tree took his life and he was gone forever.
Roger!
And that's how I learned how the balsam firm evergreen tree works.
Wow, I'm really sorry, Martin.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just move on.
Martin!
What are you talking about, Jason?
That is a great one-horned rhino. It's endangered and native to New Hampshire.
Endangered? Does that mean we should kill it?
No, you idiots. They're in very limited numbers right now and are being killed off by people. We have to preserve it.
Wow, we should leave it alone then.
Heck yeah, we should. Those things can run up to 30 miles per hour, and that would not be fun to get hit by.
Yeah, let's get the heck out of here.
Look, turtle.
Oh, man. I love turtles. What kind of turtles is it, Martin?
I don't know. Let me see it. I'm pretty sure it's an eastern painted turtle.
How do you know?
Well, you see, Jason, if you ever find a turtle, you can put it up to your ear, and it very quietly says what kind of turtle it is.
Eastern painted turtle. Eastern painted turtle. Eastern painted turtle.
That's so cool. Can we play with him?
Well, that probably wouldn't be a good idea. Since he's just a baby, he's gonna have to go back to his mother.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, for a little bit.
We should probably release him now.
Nature. How amazing is that?
Martin, the alarm. It's going off. This way.
Dude, I'm starting to lose hope.
Yeah, me too. Wait a minute. This way. Somewhere around here.
There it is.
Nice work. Are you ready to climb that tree?
Yes, I am.
That shark needs to be saved. Use this. We gotta climb now. I'll swat you. Let's go.
Dropped it!
Oh, easy.
Oh, nice work, Jason. That was intense.
All in a day's work.
Can I see him? That was amazing work. I'm so glad he's all right. You know what they say. Another day, another dollar. Be safe, shark. The Rangers get him once again.
Don't you forget about me.